morning, y'all. So today is gardening day. I never showed y'all what we got from the farmers market last time, but I'll do a little haul of all the fruit trees we got. We also went out again yesterday to another nursery and we got a few more trees. So right now we have like citrus trees, tomato trees, pepper trees, all of that. And we have the gardener here now planting some of the stuff, but we still have to do the seeds. We got some more seeds yesterday too. So I'll do a little haul of what we have in the garden right now. Farm to table. Okay, so last time I showed you all the bananas, but Darian threw some compost under here and you could see it turn into a pumpkin vine. You could even still see the pumpkin seed on it. So he threw some compost down here and they're starting to grow now. So we'll see what that turns into. And another one is under the banana tree right there. But we have bananas here ready to pick. So we'll let the gardener pick that. Cut that tree down because that'll be dead. So we have a lot of bananas here. Then over here we have more bananas. Papaya. This one is the key lime. This one is, I think, just regular Persian lime, I think. And then this one is a mandarin orange tree. Then we have a sugar apple tree here. And then this is our coconut tree. We have tomato. We're gonna put this one into this pot. And then we have our seedlings from the market. So here we have some kale, we have some Swiss chard, we have 2 different types of basil, we have oregano, we have another oregano, and then another kale here. So these 2 are strawberry plants that we got from a nursery after we came from the farmers market last week. And then here we have all of the tomato seedlings. You saw we got this tomato tree last week as well from the nursery. And then yesterday my mommy got this beautiful kale ready for picking. This one was only $25. So yeah, we're gonna repot this one into a bigger pot. And right now the gardener is putting down all of the pepper plants. So we have 3 sweet pepper seedlings, a pepper plant right there, as in bell pepper, and this one is the hot pepper plant. So over here by our plantain tree, we have our avocado tree coming up, a good amount of aloe, and then a whole bunch of bananas. Under this palm tree, we have tomatoes from our neighbor yard that's coming over in our yard, and they already have fruit on them. Still green, but they have fruit on them. In this corner where we storing like all our soil, we have the fever grass. So this is our storage for now. We have some pots here with some soil, some trellises, some mulch, and then our potting soil compost. Organic soil, compost, and potting mix. So right now we're transplanting the tomato plant into this bigger pot. Okay, y'all, so we're back inside. Let me show y'all the harvest. We harvested one of the banana trees, and then this was our first harvest, which is a tomato. I don't know why they have those cracks in it. If you all know, tell me, but a lot of them have those cracks. So this one is ready to eat for sure. And then mommy bought these. She bought that. This juju seeds we saving, which is our recycling. And this passion fruit seeds in there that we got from the market from somebody that we will plant after they dry out. And then we also harvested coconuts. So we have coconut water in here that has an ant or whatever the hell. Yeah, that's an ant. We have coconut water in here that I need to strain and put in a bottle. More bananas from our harvest. Some, oh, we forgot to show you all these yesterday. We got 5 gallons of the alkaline water. We didn't have bottles, so we had to buy bottles, which were $20 each. So the bottle with water in it was $20, and then going forward, it'll just be $5 to refill. And then on this side, we have a whole bowl of coconut to process. So we'll just wash it off, and then I've been eating it, but they're gonna grater it and probably make something from it. So in our storage room, I have all the seeds that I got yesterday. So a whole lot of seeds. I'll do a haul on these soon, and then the other ones are in here. I'll show you what all we got. I keep forgetting stuff, but we also buy these yesterday. We bought these yesterday. This is for herbs. So we got 2 of the bigger ones, 1 of the like medium size, and then we got these because we figured we could grow some small plants in here too, like probably some herbs and some small fruits, who knows, or probably stuff like beets and carrots. And then here we have I forgot what this is called, hand troll, however you pronounce it. We got that, and you see a glove in there. The glove was only like $2. This was like $12. This one was $8.95 and this one was $10.99. I don't remember what the price of this one was, but I'll put it on the screen. Exactly. You see how much tomato on this? Come look. You see how much tomato, yeah? Focus. All right. Dang, that's crazy.